In demanding environments, readiness matters. From construction sites to industrial settings, the Aero Healthcare Modulator range is made for teams that understand the need for fast and reliable first aid on the job. With 4 modulator options, teams get the flexibility they need. The Trauma and First Aid Kit delivers injury-specific care in a durable, weatherproof hard case for even the toughest environments. Built to ANSI Class B compliance, it gives teams organized access to trauma care, burns, sprains, eye care, and bleed control in one protected system. The Emergency Response Kit brings the same system into a compact soft case that is ready for the job site. Its streamlined grab-and-go design supports crews that need a lighter format without losing fast access to the essentials. For teams on the move, the Trauma Backpack keeps critical supplies close in one portable pack. Designed for mobility, it provides hands-free Carry Plus dedicated AED storage for faster response across active work sites. And for teams using different AED models, Modulator FLEX adds a new level of adaptability with configurable foam inserts. It pairs flexible storage for most major AED models with the same injury-specific layout designed for fast response. Across the Modulator line, everything has a place because fast and dependable response starts with the Modulator. Aero Healthcare, driving down preventable deaths.